Imagine this. You're sitting on your couch, scrolling through your phone, looking for the perfect streaming service to watch your favorite shows. You come across Beam, a platform known for its unique features and high-quality content. You're excited to dive in, but then you wonder, does Beam even have an app? Before we answer that question, let's take a quick look at what Beam is all about. Beam is a streaming platform that offers a wide range of content, from movies and TV shows to live sports and original programming. It's known for its user-friendly interface, high-definition streaming, and personalized recommendations. So, does Beam have an app? Well, the short answer is, drumroll please, no, Beam doesn't currently have a dedicated mobile app. Why no app? You might be wondering why a popular streaming service like Beam wouldn't have an app. There could be a few reasons for this. Prioritizing the website experience, Beam might be focusing on optimizing its website for mobile devices, making it easy for users to access content on their smartphones and tablets without needing an app. Resource allocation, developing and maintaining a mobile app can be resource-intensive. Beam might be prioritizing other areas of growth, such as expanding its content library or improving its user experience. Web app approach. Some streaming services are opting for a web app approach, which allows users to access content directly through their web browser without needing to download an app. This can provide a more seamless experience, as users don't have to worry about updates or storage space. Alternatives and workarounds. Even though Beam doesn't have a dedicated app, there are still ways to enjoy its content on your mobile device. Mobile browser. You can access Beam's website directly through your smartphone or tablet's web browser. The website is designed to be mobile-friendly, so you should have a good experience. Bookmarking. For quick and easy access, you can bookmark the Beam website on your mobile device's home screen. This will create a shortcut that looks and feels like an app. Third-party browsers. If you're having issues with the default browser on your device, you might want to try a third-party browser like Chrome or Firefox. These browsers often offer additional features and performance improvements. So, while Beam might not have a dedicated app at the moment, it's still accessible on mobile devices through your web browser. As technology continues to evolve, it's possible that Beam might introduce a mobile app in the future. Call to action. In the meantime, if you're interested in trying out Beam, head over to their website and explore their vast library of content. You might be surprised by what you find. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.